This road is not for everyone.
It's long hours, early mornings, and late nights.
It's putting everyone's family first so you can take care of yours.
It's skipped lunches, back-to-back appointments, and the relentless hustle of being your own business.
It's being the magician,
The artist,
The marketer,
Accountant and therapist,
all in one.
all in one.
all in one.
This isn't just your job, it's your calling.
It's your calling.
It's your calling.
You chose this way of life, and you wouldn't have it any other way.
You show up day after day, putting others first to help them look and feel their best.
You push the boundaries, break the mold, and redefine beauty,
One cut,
one color.
One transformation at a time.
at our core, we get it.
because we are you.
We are you.
We are you.
We are you.
While our offices may differ, we share the same drive and creative spirit.
We work tirelessly to put the tools in your hands.
The color on your brush.
And the freedom in your creativity.
We honor your craft, nurture our industry, and give back to the planet. Because we all know making the world more beautiful is a commitment bigger than just today.
We may develop award-winning products, but it's you who brings them to life.
For decades, we have understood the value of legendary education and artistry.
These are the strands that bind us and will be forever at our core.
And for 45 years, we've been with you in the palm of your hand,
In the palm of your hand,
In the palm of your hand.
In the palm of your hand.
all along.
This road isn't for everyone.
But for those of you that dare to take it, we are here.
we are here.
We are here,
We are here.
upholding a legacy
With the hairdresser forever in our hearts.
forever in our hearts.
With love.
With love,
With love,
With love, John Paul Mitchell Systems.
John Paul Mitchell Systems.
John Paul Mitchell Systems.
John Paul Mitchell Systems.